Alright, welcome to In TV. You don't know the thing, go. Today we have Negus Imara. You understand? Today we're gonna talk about enough a little topic them. Right, we are around Jamaica at right now. Seeing? So, Negus, first thing we have to ask you, because this are the thing with in the streets right now. Everybody talk about this hottest topic of Jamaica right now. Donna-Lee Donaldson. Zane? I just want to know how you feel about Donna-Lee's situation. What you think you could have offered in terms of insight about Donna-Lee thing?
Honestly, I feel like how everybody feel. Feel like it shouldn't happen. It's an unfortunate thing, you know. Her mom is dying. Like her mother literally is dying with every breath she take, you know. And it's worse now because when you fret and you have illness, it take a much heavier toll on your body. So it affect multiple people, and with all Donna-Lee going missing and now we get updates said, you know, RIP. It's sad. I feel aware, you know, and I make a thing for my podcast speaking about this already, but something I want to say. Because I say the same thing like everybody says. It's unfortunate. What happened to her should never happen.
Yeah.
Man to keep them unto themselves, woman keep them unto themselves. But one thing when I hear people really talk about a lot about this specific situation is that she should have listened to her mother.
Okay.
Yeah, she should have listened to her mother. And the reason why I say that is because if she had listened to her mother, she would have probably there so right now with way.
So, yeah, but alright. Because I can address the elephant in the room. Because this is how enough people are doing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go say she should have listened to mother, but them I go say, but it sound like you blame the victim and that shouldn't reach her either way and this and the third, isn't it?
No, it's not. I don't know. Blame the victim. It's that once multiple parties are involved in something, you have to factor in all parties.
Yeah.
What could Donna-Lee have done to change the outcome of that situation?
Yeah.
Right? Listening to her mom could be that. Because if you listen to her mother, and I'm listening to everybody. Yeah. And I only made one video about the whole situation because I don't want it to seem like a money grab thing because all the people are doing right now, you know.
Yeah.
They're making content about Donna-Lee just to garner some funds.
Okay, hot.
Kite hot.
Okay.
I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to make money off an old dead girl. Rest in peace. But she should have listened to her mom. And people are going to say, I'm blaming the victim. And that's people who don't know nothing about accountability.
Yeah.
Right? So, as I said, I listen to everybody. And a lot of people have a lot of things to say about Noel, who is our ex, our boyfriend at the time.
Okay.
A lot of people have a lot of things to say about him.
Yeah.
Which may be true, which may be false. I don't know. I don't live in Jamaica. But Donna-Lee, you know, reason why I say that what I say is because I listen to everybody. But who I specifically listen to is our mother. Now, our mother said, she tell her daughter multiple times to leave this man alone. Leave him alone. Why? Donna-Lee come home with scar on her neck already. Donna-Lee, what happened to you? Oh, such and such come over the house and Noel in front of her and she try to reach over him and catch and scrap me up and whatever.
Oh, so the other woman that know?
Yes.
Attack.
The baby mother.
Okay.
So them have an 8-month old, I think, right? Could be older now. Every time Donna-Lee go over the house, this is what the mother say, you know.
Yeah.
This is where not where. That blogger
so hold on. So they with the baby mother same way, or is a case where him they with Donna-Lee and the baby mother take set upon them?
So apparently Donna-Lee did there with the brother first, and then now him breed the baby mother, have an 8-month-old youth. Baby mother no like Donna-Lee. Every time Donna-Lee go over the crib, war break out. So me hear the mother say now, gun back.
You like for
Shorty back gun. Pan Donna-Lee already.
Oh shit.
Intimidation tactics. So as me I say, me I listen to the mother. Because as me I say, everybody out there so hear say and so me I got she come out and yes sir, our womb, so more hear the mother attack. And when the mother attack, the mother said, she tell Donna-Lee, don't go nowhere. She and Donna-Lee in the bed together, mother and daughter. And she get a call from Noel and Noel, hey, pick her up. So it's not blaming the victim. She know the type of man Noel was. Noel is the type of youth where what the mother described as abusive. She said Donna-Lee was afraid of him. How could she know Donna-Lee was afraid of him? The man come with in a Jeep. With him and him police friend them at Donna-Lee yard and look for her. Donna-Lee mother said Donna-Lee run past her in her back room, running from the boyfriend. So she run from the boyfriend. That's how the mother knows say she did afraid. Mommy said, leave him alone. Don't talk to him. The baby mother want to fight you. Every time you go over the house, the baby mother come, kick down the door, war, gun back for me, and you still go.
But you know, alright, but what I find confusing is, alright, so him deal with Donna-Lee first, allegedly. Boom, breed other girl. And so Donna-Lee stay, even though him breed another woman now. So she stay with him.
Yeah.
And it's not like say, nothing never did happen. Fishing don't know how the thing could have turned out.
Definitely.
Every minute the baby mother want to fight you.
Yeah.
You run from him. I don't understand why should that. People are going to hear say, you have to if you understand and this, that, but
you're not have to understand.
I guess so, because
you don't have to understand. If you don't have to be in a situation to know the dangers of that situation.
That's true.
I don't have to touch the stove to know that it's hot. If I see you touch the stove and you go like this, that stove they acting up, I'm not gonna touch it.
But you know, I'm gonna say something though. This might also sound a way, but you know, say people will operate by the logic there. People are calling me that though, in the sense that if me see you touch it and it burn you, why me if you go touch it if it burn me for me to say it hot? Then me not eat that, virgin.
The saying goes, a wise man, a fool learn from his mistake, but a wise man learn from the mistake of others.
Yeah.
If me can see the dangers in certain situations, it's wise of me to not put myself through that situation. A fool, and we're not disrespect the person or the individual
of course
saying
not.
as a
No,
fool.
Sir.
We're saying a fool because of ignorance.
Yeah.
You're the first to have been through this. So you're pretty much the test dummy at that point.
Yeah.
So I would be a fool to see this individual go there and go do the same thing.
I see him principle like our Future was 6 baby mother and one other woman got on his 7th baby mother.
And then they're all blaming Future. But you're the 6th baby mom. And Future is a dog shit.
Yeah. And this is something where you know. Because I can't any one of them baby mother.
But we say that for say this. We not try to blame no victim because she never deserved that.
Yeah, joke thing that.
She's a young girl, she's 24, she not live no life yet. I would say, we talk about this already. We're not talking about go here or have certain... We're talking about longevity.
Yeah. And for us to get certain experiences in our life.
She's 24.
Yeah, for real.
When I was 24, I was grateful for
young
that.
And dumb.
You know what I'm saying? Like she never have the opportunity for correct certain mistakes that she made back in the younger days.
Yeah.
So it's like she live a life of trial and error, but don't live long enough to reap the rewards of the correction she made.
Yeah, true.
If she had listened to mommy the first time, Donna-Lee would probably still be alive. Mothers know. Yes, where you come from.
True, man.
Mother know. When time me the younger, my mother move strict. We are Caribbean. Your mother probably strict too.
Yeah.
We used to say, yo,
mommy, I stress you out now.
Yeah, we don't go nowhere, but she knows that Christian Penn and Gregor Park and Waterford, them place they hot.
I don't know if I see it. You see how they start post and say it be a buckle boom, man. Them
boom down some yard at Gregor Park. Boom down some yard at Gregor Park. So it's like Donna-Lee probably has said, mommy doesn't a bit too strict, mommy no. She feel it in her gut. Yeah. Donna-Lee, yes, where you come from. And your mother feel it. Mothers know. I just a little instinct there.
Yeah.
So you know what I'm saying? So the mother sick, Noel come at the yard with a jeep full of police friend them, pull her grill And she said, Chef, run out there and tell him, how dare you come into my house? Mommy, sorry, mommy.
Joking that.
What do you want to do my daughter so much that you come into you illegally come into my house?
But you know what do?
And my daughter run from you.
You see them two, this is the next part I want to tackle. You see facts in my police, me go just address this, you know. Me nah no type of faith in a JCF, you know. None at all, you know. In terms of this whole thing, you know. I mean,
everybody said that.
Yeah, I mean, this is what I want to say. Because time and time again, improve to say.
They can't be trusted.
They're not
can't rely on you.
Yeah.
You're not competent.
Remember, brother, when cartel trial at me, remember say man a phone when cartel never use it like regular phone. You know? Remember
they took the phone from evidence and made a call and text people from that phone. And that phone was used as evidence in the court case.
You know, say for Friday, never dash it.
That's what I would throw away. And if that was a main piece of evidence, cartel would be free right now.
Best believe.
So we see, no people in Jamaica have faith in the justice system, whether it's the police, the soldier, the judge, the lawyers. Nobody don't have no faith in this. As the average Jamaican don't trust the system at all.
And I mean, you can't blame them because watch out, he must show up a fair yard with this jeep full of police. Feel what?
In front of our mother.
Because a gang thing I deal brother, it's a bad man thing. All them different from the same man where them are considered bad man.
And it's alleged. It's alleged. I don't know this individual. Word in the street that he abused all his girlfriends.
Yeah.
It is not the first time we are putting on paper.
So you know what happened? This is them the woman that will go through that. Them need to talk up.
Yes, all the women them will get beaten by Noel. Them probably need to come and say something. Maybe that can shed light on his personality.
Yeah, man. Come talk, man. Because you see, when you silent maybe you'll never know if them did talk sooner or maybe do something. Maybe something would have reached Noel where he probably wouldn't get the chance.
Exactly.
Who could have do this to
your name is at the station now. You're an abuser.
Yeah. So everybody know what time it is when it comes to you.
So with that said, I hope some of these ladies come out and say XYZ. But another flip side to the coin. Because you have good and bad. I made a post when the Star put out the story about him being arrested for the M-word. I posted it in my story. This lady messaged me and said, OMG, I don't know him as this person. Him and him woman used to help me with the offer tree. Good people do bad things and bad people do good things.
Yeah, man. Because no person is 100% bad, you know. Or 100% good neither, you know.
Nobody.
Yeah.
So you telling me that him help you offer tree really don't do nothing for me.
Exactly.
A girl is dead and her body can't be found.
Yeah.
Same way.
And what she did, and then this is somebody where me that hear some argument about him talk to somebody in some type of truck or something like that.
So what them do?
Yeah, with them the people are there.
So let them attack. So them pull up on the hardware. Him pull up on the hardware and get the truck, brother. It's not a brother we know. Pull up on the truck, the man say, yo, I want a 6 grand. Cause more you carry the coach from yes up to yes. So the man say, give me a 6. The man say, no, I have 6, I have 5. The truck man say, alright, boom. Carry the coach, go on car wash, jump off the coach. Look like the man transfer the girl, not the coach. Not the coach man transfer the girl. So comes now them get the rubbish man in a thing.
Oh, so hold on there. So them find the coach yet or no? The same coach there.
When we hear now, I'm not hearing about the coach, but me hear say the car wash are that's what them use and wash for the blood now.
After what coach?
The coach.
Dog, you know I want fun and joke aside. I even try to run on a joke, but with the blood clot you dash a coach in Jamaica. From me I grow, I never see no coach get dashed away in Jamaica.
For real, don't it?
Or no,
America alone.
You see me? Which part? You know, we put it on the curb.
Yeah.
And car wash. Any car wash we know in Jamaica, I don't know. Them car wash are like 1 and 2 man run them.
Yeah.
And you go over there, the man and wash your vehicle and you get a vehicle. So, me I try to figure out, this is so confusing, bro. Because I don't really know how he would have get for a wash with nothing. Because you know, Jamaica, everybody's, bro. Jamaica, this is something we know. Somebody always see and know.
Yeah.
So somebody now say something, bro.
Yeah.
Because that not add up. Jamaica where people know people business.
I agree.
Me and you do something right now, even a foreign, them can tell you what me and you do, brother.
I agree.
What's the joke?
I agree.
Some of them understand.
And so when everything that I got on, I'm say like a lot of people now really too say nothing one time like man I say what the hell going on? Somebody asked something. Apartment complex. Cameras have to be there. Jamaica have camera right now. Past stop light, I want my thing now. Full of a black cloud camera. LA Lewis. A lot of people take LA Lewis like madman. Big up LA Lewis. LA Lewis drive on the road them, the surrounding roads them, and the road where the apartment there. And the stoplight them have camera.
Oh.
Him show you the stoplight them and point out the camera them pan the stoplight and say, yo, see the camera them there, go on next stoplight, see the camera them there, and I saw them and I show you. Camera there on the gate at the apartment complex. Camera there in the apartment complex.
So and JCF no get none of them sitting there?
No, them get it.
Yeah.
But we feel like them give no a little chance to dust up him story a little bit. Bro, if you have video evidence, it's over.
You do.
It's over.
You do.
No more chatting.
Yeah, allegedly I'm sitting there going through window. Because me I look for you in a 4K.
I'm looking at you.
Yeah, man.
So it's like them only use alleged until you try or something like that? Until you're actually convicted?
Yeah, because, yes. Only when they get convicted, they allegedly drop off, you know.
Right.
And, yeah, because you know the whole innocent until proven guilty thing, which I am a firm believer of. Innocent until proven guilty. However, the circumstance, it too, you see me? We don't know some little PR situation this, bro.
Yeah.
Where you can say he said, she said, or them kind of little thing there. Somebody not there again, you know. Somebody dead.
And this is not an average person, it's a high profile
You see me?
influencer, well known.
So we need to know what go on because Jamaica have too much unsolved murder, brother.
Too much. Jasmine Dean. Look at Jasmine Dean.
You see me?
Where has Jasmine Dean? Jasmine Dean, watch a video of Jasmine Dean Jasmine Dean father a year or two ago. Like the man still have faith for his daughter. The man say his daughter still out there. In my mind, me I say, yo, daddy, call it a day, I'm a G.
But you know what's funny? Nobody not supposed, brother, me don't even know. But you see how them money know to still. Personally, like we just said earlier, I feel like them money are compete to see who can do the wickedest crime.
Oh!
It's not even a matter. Remember say when we are growing up, bro.
Yeah.
If man have problem in a bro, usually if something pop off, little beef did dead, something did dead. No, you don't need nothing. A man can just see you and them say, hey, what? If you do the boy this, you know, do that, you know, murder one, murder that. And it's like, brother, I say this all the time. You see, Jamaica never have crime and violence. I perfect country one, minus the economy. Remember that.
Perfect.
Remember.
Perfect. And you're right. It's like who can do the grimiest thing nowadays. Because if you look upon it, you know, crime has always been the same. It's probably lower a few hundred or higher a few hundred.
Yeah.
But for the most part, it not past 2 grand or 1800. About like 1300 to 1600 murder a year.
So we alright, boom. So now we reach this up. So informer thing now. Zin, me there you say on your podcast them we are say yo, informer for dead and you see me? So with what happened to Donna-Lee, you know, I want to know if you have the same stance for the whole informer for dead thing. Cause personally, me would have loved for somebody inform.
No. What me say is we stop deal with the informer for dead thing.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not subscribe to that again because it's not in the Jamaica no good. The walk and live talk and bomb buckler thing, that's cool. It's a cool movie.
Yeah.
It's a cool movie and the music behind it, the fierceness on him face when I say it.
Yeah.
I love it. But in reality, that's bullshit.
Yeah.
These same people them where tell the people them say, don't inform pan way.
And the same one where
And the same criminal them will affect the same people them where I them tell you say don't inform. So me I tell you say don't inform while me I fuck you up same time. That makes sense?
Yeah, me I rob your shop. But then no, me I tell you say you're not
don't inform. Me I rob your shop. Me I kill you. Me I kill your mother, your grandmother. Don't tell the little baby them the man them a murder. And you tell people them say not for talk. And then the people them know a lot of them really subscribe to it.
That's true.
None of them really never inform. Even if them mother dead and them people there mash up Jamaica.
Brother.
Imagine your community. Your community, a man boss grandma in the community and you're supposed to shh.
Joking that.
Don't say nothing.
And you know, I miss, bro, there was a time when some things can't happen, you know. And you see, if you do it, and the man them answer you, you're done for.
Of course.
There was a time, brother, when me I tell you, say, if you're in some community, you say, well, little girl get tech with.
Problem.
Your name just one call upon you.
Problem.
The man them, brother, trust me, but now it come like the man them is like, who are the wickedest man? And who want to do this and who want to do that? And me just find it so crazy, bro. Personally, you know, when I'm not alive, I'm kind of biased. It's when it comes to the informing thing, I just feel like some things I can shut up about. But that are some little, you see me who climb move a mango tree and pick up some mango.
Trivial stuff.
Yeah, man, yeah, shut up. You forgot that deep.
Yeah.
But we're going to talk about somebody's life.
Yeah.
No.
That's a different thing.
No, that's a big deal.
That's different.
There's a somebody, it can be somebody's sister, somebody auntie, somebody mother, granny, girlfriend, wife. Come on, bro.
Alright, so the reason why I really want to get rid of that, brother, and there's a reason why I even use my platform for even say them thing, yeah, because I want to have a backlash, you know. Because I want to have a backlash for it, because that ingrained in the fabric of Jamaica.
They love beat you bad man.
Right? Because my name was easy to call, you see me? But it ingrained in the Jamaican society so far deep, bro, that it's gonna take some brand new generation for this totally wipe out. That's why I'm not really too business about the big people, brother. I'm not care about them. And look at you them. If you pre my content, me I talk to the young youth, them, the youth them are younger than me, youth them are 13, 14, 15, right up to 20, 25.
Yeah, man.
When I was 25, me still need guidance.
Yep.
So even though you're 25 now, more than you are 25, you're 25, more older than you, me can show you certain things, but they can hurt longer than you.
Yeah, man.
So that's why I say, a time for we leave the informal culture. I even made a skit about it. When I say, yo, we're gonna leave, we don't teach adults because they're stuck in their ways.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then I ask the old man, I say, yo, who robbed Mr. Chilcha? Everyone say, yo, move forward and so. Informal for dead. And then now, I ask the youth and ask the little boy, who stole sushi shop now? And he said, see him there?
Yeah.
Children, we need to attack the children, just like how dancehall music is attacking the children them.
Yeah.
I would not say an artist purposely make music for mash up the youth them, but it's mashing up the youth them.
Yeah.
So just like how the youth them get inspired by the music, we can inspire them to do some good things now. Cause right now I talk to them even about relationship. Treat the girl them right, brother. Love the player thing. Find a good woman and second down. And them things I start telling you them. I'm not telling you some foolishness.
Yeah.
Yo, I mean, it's nice, yo.
Yeah, but you know them are beat them at the same way. It don't matter. Anything you can't win.
Anything, brother.
Can't win.
Can't win. My name was easy because
can't win.
That's why I say what I want to say and cuss my bad about them and tell them about them mother. Because anything I say, it don't matter, bro. It could be good or bad.
I see you do one thing one time where you just say, you know, you want some good positive music or something like that.
Yeah, you must Jamaica need more positive role model.
Yeah.
Bumbo clot. Me never get so much backlash in my life. Never in my life me get so much. And look what I'm saying. All I said.
Positive.
But that's why you think. It's serious, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Look on the mindset of the Jamaican people. I said, we need more positive role model. People tell me, I suck my mother. People tell me, I got dead. People tell me, I chat too much. Me a big gal. Me a batty man. Just because me say we need more positive role model. And then you have some failed musicians and failed actors and actresses coming to me now saying, aren't you describing yourself? Tell me how I have contributed negatively to Jamaica. Which gun me ever buy and put in use them on? Which chopping song and which bad man song me I tell you them say bust a boy your head? Which one of them something in the middle? So it's like you're frustrated because your failed career never take off.
Yeah.
And because this video is getting a lot of reshares and it's going viral at the moment, you're angry about that. Take out your failed feelings on somebody else, not me.
No, you know what they want? Some jelly water.
Jelly water wash off your heart.
Yeah, man, God.
How can somebody be saying something positive
and you're so upset about that?
That's the mindset.
But what's your joke? Make it up on the internet and I say, bang if you're banging lying. And you have to do this. Yeah, God, you know.
God.
God in a hurt, bro.
No, the man said, spit na girl more too.
You see?
Everybody say, yay! You see, but me say, we need more positive role model.
You see blood clot. You see sitting with the girl, I think two girl have ensure. Another girl goes and I spit it the next girl more to her teeth. Everybody say that? Brother, listen to me no man. all the years of me live in Jamaica, me I do my thing. I ain't never seen nothing like that yet.
Crazy. It's crazy. And it just so happened that I come to the realization that the adults them we used to talk about our music, them right. They were right. That was the shock value of their time. Now the shock value of our time is pretty ridiculous.
But our one, but the thing is, you know, our one did. I'm not gonna lie.
It did bad. It did bad.
Our one did bad, you know.
Not to us though. Just like this current situation is not bad.
I feel like for them can't bias, bro. I think for them thing worse, dog. You don't know. I think for them shit worse. That's just my opinion.
It's getting worse. I would say it's getting worse.
Yeah,
but
because it now go get. Remember, you know, I don't even think I'm going to, brother. So we did already have a little incline.
You said good.
Yeah, but we never reached we're gonna end part this about for them thing. Brother, even when it comes to quality of music, we're gonna talk about dancehall music. Yeah. But even when it comes to quality of music, bro. Me like only for Skillibeng sang them.
Yeah, as I do.
You see me? But like Skillibeng himself saying on an interview one at a time, he must say, yo, when he put out the good song, the thing them are full of lyrics. It have the body and you see me? Nobody not paying attention to it. But as soon as the dog say, plane just crash with the coke, or the dog say, scope on my Glock, it all get remixed.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I not understand this. Bro, when we are growing up, bro, remember say dancehall did different, you know?
Yeah.
First, let's talk about medleys. Cause that's what I think you see the medley. One producer, drop a rhythm bad, everybody want voice.
20 artists.
Me for tell you, and watch a joke now. We did almost always look forward to the Cartel, the Idonia, and the Busy, and the Vado. You might have some other artists now who come give a bang upon it to you know, Teflon might come give you something. Yeah, Brahma might come give you something again. Wasp might come give you something. Einstein. But now, everyone want them own beat.
Yeah.
Everybody want them one thing. Everyone want said them unique per se. When it's like,
yeah, right.
And unique, bro, because you're going to sing about chopping on a different rhythm.
Thank you.
You're going to sing about chopping on a different rhythm.
Thank you.
Plus, in terms of auto-tune and how the vocals sound, none of them sound the same.
Same.
I'm going to be honest, bro, call me all, but I can't tell intense different from Iwata, you know. But right now, I feel like you told them the same thing.
Yeah. Sing up on them nose. A Cartel was the last big artist to sing up on them nose. No, everybody has sing up on them nose.
Brother.
Peanut Trash. Any match.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Peanut.
Right?
Yeah,
Cartel.
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, so Cartel used to in their nose. When Cartel used to DJ, then him start sing and then him go in their nose. Them youth now. Same thing.
But you know, I find this is the part I find crazier to still. Like, not for the artists them, even when it comes to paying homage or respect to the artists them where them clearly emulate. The man them treat it like say as some like it's almost like a worship. Oh, we're not worship the man, we're not get, and it's like, brother, you have to get the inspiration somewhere.
Yes.
Because music is life. And things that I mean are life, things where you see, experiences, stories. And sometimes the story you want to hear. Sometimes you tell a story and a somebody else's story.
Yeah.
But that's how the music for. So when a man will go to bam, bro, and play it off like him have all of the original ideas and this, that, me can't get to that. Because Cartel them big up the people them before them. And Cartel them great.
Even when him and Killer did a war, him still give Killer him props. And still call him daddy.
Yeah.
Them local youth nowadays, them don't have no morals, no principle, no nothing.
Yeah, man.
So we even see where all them want them own rhythm. The reason why they want them own rhythm is because they don't want to be associated with nobody.
Yep.
Them don't have no cohesiveness. They
No
don't have
camaraderie.
no camaraderie, no unity, no nothing.
Yeah, man.
Even when Cartel them and doing them did a war, the man them voice but the same rhythm.
Yep.
But them look at you here, oh no, buy one already man, do one thing already.
And end up sing back his said song.
You sing about chopping, dig out girl wall, pan the same, you sing the same thing, pan 3 different rhythm. We don't want to hear about that. And it gets so repetitive that the man them have forgotten extreme, you know. I just tell the same man them have tune, man must spit in a girl them out now, you know. We must say ensure. But worse than ensure, spit in a girl now.
You remember when you remember the video, yeah? I think like a year, 2 years ago when the dog out the cigarette on the girl tongue. You remember that?
Crazy.
Take a girl tongue, the girl now
All
straight.
the girl are big idiot. Yeah. Look at my daughter. That. What? Are you stupid? Yeah. You come and look at interns look like ground lizards, brother. Every man with a cigarette in your mouth, and people are spliff.
Brother.
Rock pies in a cigarette in a mama.
Yo.
Yeah, you that?
Dog. Believe in a man.
Buckler.
Call me all or whatever, but the thing different and all that.
Different, brother.
Different.
Me not like the direction it's going now. Me not gonna lie.
And you know, I'm not too busy with them though. I'm there at me start listening to them, I'm going to respond to them, you know. Make them do what they do, you know.
Yeah.
Because at this point, you know, bro, a 1 and 2 song will come out and jump. Brother, you see like the Yaksta them. So me hear like a Yaksta them on the tune and Nation Bass them. Me hear them sound, they think them so refreshing, brother. I think them sound, you see me?
Make you want to get up and do something
brother,
positive.
it makes so much sense.
Yeah.
But when me hear, on the flip side of that now, some song I hear, and then this is it, I'm not no man, bro. But me I tell you, bro, the man them just need to switch up them thing. Cause you have Marks, man. I see a video with my name, I call him Silk Bass. I if you see a video, I want to go viral video, dog driving vehicle, and the vehicle I rock little. And then text it for him. And I comment, hey, you wanna cuss them dog right there, brother.
Yeah,
Suck no matter if no feel like separate.
Yeah,
And me I say, yo, first off, you to try and you buy a vehicle. No phone I walk foot on their bus stop. So we can start right there. Yeah. No phone I drive no car.
Yeah.
But there was a time where there was a certain level of stardom where celebrity used to have a Jamaica. True. Where it used to even you used to feel like them a star.
True.
Now the thing feel almost kinda
regular.
Yeah, coming in a way where me I take a coaster bus go me yard and
Jamaica,
here is this.
Jamaicans don't respect them celebrity, brother. Jamaicans don't respect nobody. So you think they're gonna respect them celebrity?
That's true.
Look how America treat them celebrity.
Yep.
You think Jamaica will ever deal with somebody like a Shaggy or a Sean Paul, like a Michael Jackson?
That's true.
Look at the contributions Shaggy and Sean Paul brought to Jamaica.
That's true.
And nobody gives a damn about them.
I remember for you seeing thing, you know, people have to start saying, yo, how now move so like you know make you see and be, you see me? Like a staple in Jamaica.
Thank you.
Fastest man of the world, man carry upon him, man carry we further, you know.
Yeah.
What them not understand is a joint effort, you know. Bob Marley do him thing, bring you out there, Marcus Garvey them, bring you out there. Zane, when you look Shaggy them, Sean Paul I represent, them still a push with further and further.
Yeah.
So how is it that you now go, brother, to be quite frank, them man they have more influence than the government of Jamaica, you know?
Oh yes, I believe so too.
Believe it, you know?
I believe so too.
People more so follow them before they follow the government, you know?
Yeah.
When you see, and Carter is a true testament to that, brother.
Yes.
When them man they say desert clocks, every cripper get fling wet.
Oh my God.
You can't find clocks downtown.
Thank you. So I'm glad you said that. Nice segue to go into this now. So Cartel himself has a musician inspired style, right? Fashion.
Mm-hmm.
People now is going to tell me that music don't inspire nobody to do nothing.
When Carter and Mofad have them little thing.
War did at.
What did they mean?
Portmore did at.
You have to watch what you say.
Cassava Piece did at.
But check this. Them say music not influence nothing. So, okay. Why is it that the government then, when election time come, they want dub plates, they want all of these things from all of these artists? Vegas have the dub plate, the Angel have the dub plate, most people have the dub plate. Eh? Andrew turn from Andrew to Bro God.
Okay.
Zane, I wear clocks per foot.
Same clocks the Cartel thing about.
Yeah, so what they mean by no influence nothing? If private start beating clocks, you know? And why am I beat the clocks? Because I know it embedded in the Jamaican culture. You got England clocks, enough people at England, and enough of the Jamaican them beat the clocks.
Thank you.
And they know.
Thank you.
So that's cap. Anywhere them get that from, them can take that dash that way.
You have some scientists that use music to heal open wounds.
Yeah.
They use music as therapy for mentally challenged people, artistic people.
Music therapeutic.
Thank you. So, when a shallow-minded individual is going to take the accountability from the music and from the artist and say, this artist is just singing, what do you see? It's art. I'll be a bomber clock gunshot bust in a ghetto.
Exactly.
No promising youth in a ghetto.
And only that.
No youth no can play football in a ghetto. We don't sing about the blood clot brain, the brains of the ghetto, the brightest youth in your blood clot ghetto. We don't sing about him. You make it seem like, oh, the ghetto is just this rotten place. Because when the government talk about the ghetto, you know, the ghetto people, them say, oh, they make it look like the ghetto is this horrible place. But no, when it comes to music now, oh, it's just art. Them just singing them art. You can't be too serious with it. Bro, what are you trying to say? You're just trying to excuse the whole thing. What? Everything in life have influence, bro.
Bro, them know, man. What it is that them just no business with that. Them know. When the dog say, fling your shoulder and flare it.
Nobody stand up still.
And yeah, be a dancing. That no influence that name. That no make people want dance. And Elephant Man that say, on the river, on the bar, who can dance, brother? I do it.
You have some man.
So it go.
When them do some prison documentary and the man them tell you when them go mash them crime. The man them listen to some grimy music. Kill, murder.
Even workout, people work out, them listen to music. Music is something you can't escape it. I want somebody alone me know to listen to music and I want them brother. I want to listen nothing at all. Zero. Man love game and they have the game music man like. Indifferent. But for sure, yo, music, you know, everything. It in that, bro, your phone ring, your ringtone.
One of the biggest part of marketing is music.
Yeah.
Commercial. Catchy jingles. This is how they inspire you to buy their products. But you are telling me, say, a man we are saying for kill this and kill that. Now inspire you to kill?
Yo, you go to get to the same bad man them not talk. If man have in earphone and listen music. I know them man they not listen to Katy Perry, brother.
No.
Them not listen to Paramore.
No.
Them man they listen to Scope and McGlock. Wow. Better believe it. You don't know where they get that from. Dog, them just, you see me? But I mean, but for other news still, bro. I'm gonna try to figure out. So what make Ellie black yo? Yeah, I wanna know what going on with Ellie. Make Ellie I say yo, fuck the brother.
Yo,
you see me?
It's so crazy. First time actually I tell this. I don't know if Ellie black me before me do the comedy thing because apparently it's about to black anybody.
So me here, man.
Because when me make my first video from about Elephant Man, when I go to boom and ready for tag him in the video, I couldn't find him. So I was wondering before if I had commented something funny underneath when I picture them,
probably,
and him blocked me from them time there. But the first video I did, where I say, yo, so what do you have with Beanie Man? I say, Anthony, stop it there. Me and Beanie Man don't have nothing.
Yeah.
But Beanie Man full of bad mind. Well, I never this Elephant Man, so why would you block me? I never this Elephant Man.
Bro, cause you got some people. First off, big up to Ellie, cause Ellie a legend.
Yeah, big up Elephant.
Them don't give Ellie credit where Ellie deserve.
I agree.
Me? And them a fucker for that.
Elephant Man is a legend.
Best believe. Remember, Elephant Man, I was BET, I want them thing him perform for the big performance in a bro.
Facts.
Nicki Minaj and everybody up in the front, you know, can't contain themselves.
Yep.
Yeah, but big up Ellie, see me. But me just feel some people, bro, them sensitive them with it. And them know nobody talk about it. Yeah. And I don't think that mentality meshes well with you being a celebrity.
That's true.
You have to just know, say, yo, what go on. People don't chat about me. I go in at the tabloids. If I pick my nose, somebody going to take a picture and see it. It is what it is. You have to just know, say, that's the thing there. You can't control that.
That's facts.
You can't do nothing about that. So
and me, I learned that too. Because I'm very defensive sometimes. It just depends on the day.
Yeah, you love cuss dog. You and the people. Comment section hot.
But you see me? But with Ellie now, it was kind of surprising to see him black me. You see me? And then now, when him black me now, I'm kind of take it to art. I start talking about him now. You see me? So now I now get unblocked.
Yeah.
But the first trade the camera say, look how me a blood clot, I rate Elephant, I big up Elephant Man. I never diss him, a Beanie Man, me a talk about him. The Beanie Man, when God give you a bad mind, Beanie Man there front and church out for about 5 minutes as a collector. I never diss Ellie, so why would you block me? So I just say I'm black now, I just get vexed dog, I just start talking about Ellie, you see me?
Yeah.
But really and truly, Elephant Man and one of the staple them.
I mean,
but in a dance and music where make. Bro, I remember you know. Twister, Young Bloods, Busta Rhyme, Yin Yang Twins, Little John, Cat De Luna.
Yep.
Bro, Elephant Man collab with so much people.
Yeah man, him and Beanie them come like I said thing them the man them go do, you know.
Yes.
You see me? Because see if you be Bunty, the man Bunty have Mob Deep and how much of them big rap group there.
Definitely.
You see me? So I mean that's what I say. I don't think they make star like they used to, bro.
Nah.
They don't make star like they used to, brother.
Nah. I think everybody and another reason why too, the stardom I move regular, brother.
That's true. That
The
too.
stardom I move regular.
That too.
Look on Beyonce. Why I think Beyonce things still up on a level?
True, man.
Because she not really up on social media like that.
Bro, you can't even see Beyonce.
You don't see
You have
Beyonce.
to go book sitting and years of she go there, you know.
I thank you.
Best believe that, you
I
know.
thank you. So it's like the celebrity them now. Them are just regular Instagram people.
Yeah.
You see it every day, even without the makeup. Some of them girls are ugly. Some of the celebrity girls are ugly. When we see you without makeup now, it take away all of the mystery. You're not that cute again.
And not only that,
You.
you have to remember to all of them start looking same, you know. Cause from designer body forward, all them do everybody go upgrade, you know. Buy new bumper, new carburetor, and new everything, you know. Everybody think upgrade. But what I find crazy is the one of them have the set body with a different head and a different TRN.
What's the
Sealer.
Yo! Damn!
Sealer.
We're not gonna edit out that. We are keep that.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
Different, bro, different head and different TRN. But the body them,
Body.
same thing.
You know what I hate?
So when I do that,
You know what I hate with some of them BBL? Yeah? The body big so and then the foot maga.
it tiny.
No.
Someone of them couldn't spread out that little, make it even out. But guess what? It's not the way they kind of say them body built. Yeah. And if you're going to do it in moderation, they don't say Shensia do body. But Shensia body looks fine to me.
Yeah, she look natural. I don't even know.
But that's what I'm saying. The word on the street, them say she do her thing. But I look on it and I say, if Kardashian them can't get a hold of this thing and can't get it right, and Kardashian them have money, could
Billionaire them.
Yeah, so when you take up yourself, boy, you take on this thing. And you know what other thing to me it? The teeth. You see now, everybody do the teeth and them big buckaroo there, brother. Look like
And
beaver. Brother, but veneers, shave down them natural teeth and them painted some, brother.
Nobody have no individualistic
Jesus
mindset
Christ,
anymore.
brother.
Everybody wanna be like this person.
Being them
Everybody
a star
wanna be
long
like
time.
that
I
person.
always see being them. People a star how long?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see nobody like that. Come on, bro.
Nobody is an individual anymore. Group thinking around Jamaica. That's why walk and live talk and bumbuckle and it's so popular. Group thinking. Nobody has individual to say. You know, say, I think that is some load of crap. Why would this man tell me not to inform, but he might affect me? He might rob my house.
Yeah.
Him just thief my little cousin last week. Him kill my grandfather yesterday.
Yeah, but me not for
But me
inform.
not for inform.
Cause you were born, you see, you're not gonna do nothing and then you're there. How come, you know? With him, you know? And they even now get a chance we can inform again, cause
And then when you in a pickle, nobody's going to inform to help you.
yeah, they've got bad enough. But one last question still. This kind of half topic still. You see me? But if you go some bumps and you meet a boy and thing, maybe a something long distance, you talk to her on phone. If you fly her out, you know, you think so you have to get the front or she can just come on vacation and just talk over a nice dinner and when a time for she go home back. Is it right?
What's the question?
I'm just saying, if you fly her out, you have to get front, you have to smash if you fly her out.
Of course.
Why? Suppose the girl just want just in your company and just par and she not ready to get in front yet.
We can talk on the phone.
No, push what the girl want to see you in person if you talk.
No, I already have a bunch of woman friends I don't need no more. This is the thing, right? This is the thing I'm gonna say, right? And it's not like I say, I fly out, you have to give me like, hey girl, come give me now.
Yeah.
You have to give me because you like me. I don't talk to females that don't like me and don't have no sexual desires. We already established that.
Yeah.
Front of his skin out on the camera. Whatever she talk, a little dirty talk, whatever.
Yeah.
So we don't know.
Yeah, so that
once
I
you fly
interview.
in,
Yeah. So I interview.
So once you fly in, I don't fly in no strangers.
Yeah, okay.
For one, when I fly in no girl I'm not sure about.
Yeah, that's true.
That's gonna be a waste of my money. And if you know, as men, we have to work in this society and maintain our bread.
Big facts.
Right? So we have to make sure that our bread is being sensibly used.
True.
So me fly out a girl now, spend all $5 bills for a ticket. If she come to me at a hotel, I might put it at 2 bills a night. Should they have a 3 night, another 6 bills that.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Yeah, and any little excursion we might do.
You could make a plate of food, and I make a plate of food, and we have a dinner date on iPhone.
Get it now, get them all say. Them all say, yo, you what? Them are the prize. The woman are the prize, bro.
Any girl let me hear say them a prize, I leave them alone. You're not no blood clot prize because your expectation of me prove to me say I'm me the prize.
Yeah.
Because you want me to fund your life.
Yeah.
How the hell are you the prize and I'm here to do everything? I'm here the prize. I'm here to alleviate you of your problem and your burdens. So me obviously the prize.
Yeah, but you have to remember, you know, bro. Remember, you know, them are gonna say, you know. Remember, them are gonna say, you front them off, you know. So them are gonna say, you are going to cheat of the front. So that me and I, that you want. So you are do whatever is you paying it forward for them front, essentially. Because apparently, sex a one-way street, right? So apparently, apparently, if I say apparently, because I don't know, I mean, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But apparently, sex is one-way street, and is the man alone benefit from the sex.
Yes.
She just have it, we can give you, and just eat that, right? And it's not both parties involved. Technically, you alone.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. So that's madness. Anybody who me hear say them are the prize, me leave them alone. That's madness. Because them have this mindset where them are the traditional youths, and you being a traditional man mean you take care of everything.
Yep.
These girls want you to take care of everything and don't give no vaginal cavity. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? And let me tell you this. Cheating is wrong, but I love when some of these girls get cheated on. You want to know why? It bring them back down yourself. And you alone have crutches, mama.
Yeah.
And all of them feel like them crutches good.
Hold on. Before you go further, you know what some of them are going to tell you though? Yeah, they're going to try to tell you, say, Anna, you alone have money and you alone will take care of them. But watch your style. Zane? Why is it why that's so scarce then? Why every woman now get take care of them?
Thank you.
And everybody just live this life for them say they want to live. Because enough of them, you know, it's cap. Just so you know, I lie to myself. Bullshit.
All cap.
Yeah, them say this bugger man a line up to give them this bugger thing. Where are they? Because I'm a man and I have one of a man friend.
No.
I mean, I say I can tell you everything that one of my man friend them I do.
Yeah.
But what me can tell you for sure is enough of them man there. Nah, do that.
It's not lining up for fun. Nobody. If you're traditional, of course, the man that will line up on one day, but how much of them traditional? These girls want you to pay all the bills and don't do nothing in the house. Don't cook, don't wash, don't clean, no that, because them doing that make them feel like a slave.
That city girls tell them.
Yeah.
Get the bag.
But no man say, I feel like a slave because you want me to fund the household. We understand we role. So all them girls understand for them
Bro,
role.
remember there was a time, bro, when man taking care of your woman is almost like you're prideful about that,
Right?
There was a time when you look at your woman, you can say, yo, you are me do them thing for woman.
I'm a man.
Yeah. But guess what? This is when the role start to reverse. You see when them start to shame man for that, or consider it clowning, or we're getting the bar, we're conning. You see the moment the woman them start attach them connotation to what man do for them, that's when men started to feel played.
Facts.
Because now it's like, oh, but me I take care of everything and this is you conning me, you say?
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do nothing.
Facts.
Plus, there are no accolades of me or whatever, so me good pon that.
Facts.
So the reality of the circumstances, like, the woman them really set up him one herself in the circumstances.
Oh, yeah.
Because the man them never, man I take care of woman from the beginning of time.
Oh yeah.
We hunt, get the food, yeah, she might prepare it and eat, but the man go out there and make sure there's something there if he can eat.
Damn right.
But now, be arms us and this bag of struggle and this power, this and the misogynistic this and the bag of feminism and all kind of banger. Me just know say, yo, I'm just live my thing and do what I need to do and call it a day, brother.
They talk about misogyny. The world was built on misogyny. Man build this. Man go on rights. So you're talking about how toxic men are. If we were really toxic, we would have kept them right here.
Enough of them never visit the Middle East yet, and them attack,
Thank you.
And me a man we go there, so brother, and see that, woman have to prepare meal in a house, curtain, cover her kitchen. Nobody can see her but her husband. And that's a law. And ask them if that's gonna be a thing. Them woman they have to live the way they bro. Now, do I think it's ludicrous? Me personally, me think it's ludicrous because that's just me. And mind you, we grew up on the western side of the world.
Yeah, socialize different.
But at the end of the day, me feel like that extreme. Yeah. Like, it's like she cut off from the world. Yeah. She not fi go to school. She not fi, like, nah bro. She not fi can get certain job and this. I feel like that's extreme. Yeah. The woman them can live life too. But the reality of it is this. Especially when you hear them talk about pay gaps and women not making enough money and this stuff. I mean, there's plenty of jobs that women just won't do.
That's true.
Them just not gonna do it.
And they take a lot more vacation time.
Yeah, so more men are gonna do more jobs. So if more men do more jobs, it means that more men make more money than women.
Yeah.
That's just what it is.
That's it.
A lot of those a lot more women have higher paying jobs than men. Believe it or not. The man that have the higher paying jobs is only a few of them compared to the rest of the man them. Most men work average jobs, normal shit. Him work at some regular place. But enough of the women that make money have really good jobs.
Great
or
jobs.
the one them where them not work, them have a man, I look after them.
I barely see woman. I never see a rubbish truck. A woman in a rubbish truck.
Never seen it. Never.
So it's like them specifically take certain jobs that's chill, that's okay. Get a cashier job. We didn't even reach up this way. We thought about an average job.
Yeah.
The mother go take a cashier job, a job where they can sit down and answer phone. Women don't really like to be physical.
Yeah, and guess what? Nothing wrong with that because, to be honest, they weren't even really built that way.
No, we do the hunting and them do the farming.
Yeah, man.
They do the light work.
This is it, you know. Them are gonna say a society socialize us this way, but I think women are better nurturers.
Yes.
Than men.
Way better.
That's just reality of it.
That's biology.
Yeah.
That's what you were made for.
Yeah.
Your titty give nourishment.
Yeah. What kind of nourishment we get? You never got a road go hunt it, brother. You never got a road go walk.
You your life, you yourself, you give food. Your body produce food for another being.
You see me?
So you are that being. By biology, you are that nurturer. You are that giver.
But you know what the issue though? You know what the issue though? Enough of them do this thing where it's like who superior or what better, and it's like the superiority complex need to go because if you serve two separate purposes, you can't say one superior to the next. Because that means you need one for to do the other one.
Exactly.
Men can compete in terms of superiority amongst each other.
Yes.
But you compete with a woman, it doesn't make no sense. Nah. Because she give birth, I don't.
Yeah.
Me have more muscle mass, can work longer, harder, them thing there, she can't. So, if you say who better, it don't really make no sense. Waste of time.
And that's why me say we are two pieces of the puzzle. When we come together, we're completed.
Brother,
we work together. Man compete with man, woman compete with woman.
Yeah, but you know, city girls, you see me, hot girls, summer, winter, everything. So,
and that's another thing now. Music inspired these girls. I tell you this right now. I went out on a date with a friend of mine. My friend, I go out with our friend. My friend, woman friend, I go out with her. Yeah. Watch a movie. AMC theaters. Mama said she don't want to go AMC.
Where she want to go?
She want to go to the theater where you can relax and order food and order drinks.
Oh, and it just come in the theater.
Yeah.
So me ask you something. Is it a case where she frequent this or like a fair place that them kind of places she usually go? So she want to maintain that? Because that's the only reason why me would see you tell somebody that, you know. Matter of fact, let's just back up. First off, whose idea was it?
My idea.
So here what then? You're coming for the ride.
I mean I plan the date, right?
Yeah. So you're coming for the ride then. You don't come tell me nothing about the date.
You're supposed to.
I want me a plan.
Alright, so this is it, right? I'm not no fussy youth anyway. It costs a few more bucks. I know nothing. So I'm like, alright, cool. Let's go. We go to Mango and Ray and I was thinking about it. Shorty upgraded her date. She upgraded her date on my behalf.
Okay.
Right? So we were starting off here. And then now you take it right there, sir. And I see a movie we're gonna watch. And I see a movie we're gonna watch. But we just bring up that for show your levels. Them gala, them want everything and not get nothing. No, I lie still, you know. Well, I look at things still, you know, but She could have keep that.
No, but the reality of it is, right? And let me just say this. For all of the people who go watch this, hear this, sex is a two-way street.
Oh yes.
Right? You need odd and pum pum with two of them.
Yeah.
And sex happen. It not happen without one or the other. So all of this about who what give what nah.
Nah.
Eh.
Whether the old big or the old small, it's still a two-way street.
Yeah, it don't matter.
You don't forget compensated because you have a pum pum, mama. If you want to be compensated if you have a pum pum, you're a whore.
You know what I forget? No, let me tell you, woman forget compensated for good treatment. You see when you go somewhere you're there with your man and your man feel good and this, that and Ray and all these things, then no, we're talking.
Yeah.
No, we in business.
Definitely.
But if it's just solely offer, you're up front and mature tight. And that means some girl was saying, them chew tight over internet. I'm like, me don't know what me don't know how the thing reaches so can't tell yo the dog say free girl from that they will upgrade them thing. It just got downhill.
A cartel liberate the freaks them enough.
Even let them out, man.
Cartel liberated all of the freaks in Jamaica.
Cartel move like what the woman name? Leg on the fire slave them.
Arietta man.
Yeah. That him free them, leg on shackle them off of them dog and then run out. Can we them move, brother?
Jaja, real.
A real talk.
But before this end, bro, I just want to say to Jamaica. We can dibble dabble in a little bit bad foolishness here and there. But for the most part, we need to get a hold of ourselves. We need to get a hold of our family. But once we get a hold of our family, then we can see a different Jamaica.
Yeah.
I cannot go out there and inspire no adult to create no type of change. This adult is stuck in their way.
True, man.
And they think they know everything. No, we need to attack the kids. We need to attack the kids and we need to get the kids on board. Kids are more impressionable. We can teach them the right thing from early. And then we're going to have change. I start at the family. I say, Jamaica, we need to start at the family, get our families in order, and then we can see a better Jamaica. You see me?
Real talk. But yeah, you don't know, you know. That was Negus Imara. I'm going to give him insight. I know I'm not going to beat him bad still. But beat him same way. You don't know the thing go. You understand?
Tell them about their mother.
Yeah. Yeah. But ain't that for the episode. You understand? Soon making you know when another one will roll out.
Give thanks.
You don't know. You understand? So we're out.